name's Chris. I'm a purchasing manager here at Infotainment. Wanted to talk to you today a little bit about our Buyback program. So for anybody that wants to sell infotainment or radio, it's a simple process. It starts with our Sell Your Stuff form. That form you can find on our website. If you go to the home page and you simply scroll all the way to the very bottom under More Info, just click on Sell Your Stuff to get started. Once you get to this page, there's some information on the process of sending your stuff in and how long it takes. Just click the blue link at the very bottom to get to the form. And then the form is pretty self-explanatory. It has your information, serial number, part number, payment options are on there. We can pay you 3 ways. Through PayPal, we can mail you a check, or we can refund your order back to the original form of payment. It's a real easy process. After you fill out this form, and for those of you that might need a little extra help with the form, there's a second video that kind of goes into detail on the form. Once you fill out the form and submit it, it's going to notify me, and I will email you back with that form attached, and there'll be a price on there as how much we can give you for your radio. And then basically you just send the equipment in. We receive it. It takes several days because we have to receive the equipment in. We send the equipment over to have a quick test done, make sure everything's working good on it, there's no physical damage, and then we go ahead and process payment. So the whole process can take anywhere from about 1 to 5 business days. And that's pretty much it. It's a great way to get a little extra money back when you do an upgrade through Infotainment.